A quick video to show the replacement of a rechargeable battery on a BMW One key remote. I saw an online video that says instead of paying the £150 to BMW or £80 to a key repair company, that you can buy a kit, which I have from these guys, and the kit is £9.50 in total, and I think I've got an E92 or E93 key, the 3-button switch, and you get this new casing without the BMW logo. You fit your existing key into it, it clicks open, and you can put the innards of your old key into here with a new remote battery, rechargeable battery, which is what came in the kit, and it has 3 solenoids which are for the buttons, but I don't need to replace the buttons, so hopefully not too much soldering. The tools I need is a soldering iron. I did get some solder, but I didn't need it because you can weaken the existing solder, get the old battery off, and then use that to reseal the new battery. A Stanley knife for cutting around the edge of the old key to open it up because it's sealed, a scalpel for taking off the logo, a screwdriver for prising it apart, and I also used the penknife for doing that. So it's a Good Friday afternoon, raining outside, so I'm going to give it a go and see if I can do it quicker than the video I watched on eBay. When using a Stanley knife, take care and cut away from your fingers, so hold the remote at one end and cut away towards the other end. I'd already cut some of this before, so it took slightly longer, but managed to do it fairly quickly. So just remove the circuit board and you can see the rechargeable battery there, and it's soldered to the circuit board, and you can therefore replace this with the one that's come from eBay that has the same connectors in the same position, so we should be able to swap them over. So the battery solders here and here, so I'll need to unsolder these 2 elements, take the old battery off and replace it with the new one. So that's the bit that's going to be tricky. With the kit you get from eBay, these elements here, which are your buttons, can be replaced as well, but they're not faulty on mine, it's really just the rechargeable battery. So now we need to soften off the solder here and here, and push the battery, and it should come loose from the back of it. Obviously I'd loosened it before that, and now we've got to try and get this back in to those 2 places, so that's what I'm going to try and do now. So that is now soldered on there just by melting those 2 and pushing the bits through, and I'll put it into the case now. This is the new case from eBay, so that fits okay. And then the top element goes over the top. Should just click down into place. And then you've got your buttons. You can get a sticker for BMW, and then your old key should just fit inside. So now we've just got to test it with the BMW. We have the new key, and the spare key. So they both work now. I've got a spare key and that's been a 15-minute job. For the finishing touches, what I've done is I've cut out the BMW sticker from the black casing button. I've had to use a scalpel to cut around the edges so that I can reveal the back of this that was heavily glued in. But a few minutes you can get it off, and then with a bit of super glue I should be able to place that onto the other button, and I'll have my BMW key. Job done.